On your Stihl weed eaters, sometimes if you get like a clanging noise in it or a screeching noise, it's going to be this. It's a clutch right here. And here's what the old one looks like. It disintegrated, broke the spring in return, caused everything else to break. It's an easy fix though. It only takes about 15 minutes to put one in. It's not a big deal. And when you get that put in, make sure you take just a little bit of light grade sandpaper to your drum. And that's it, guys. That'll get rid of your clanking and your screeching noises.